In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you the initial commissioning of your ventilation unit with the touch control element. Make sure that all installation work is fully completed before initial commissioning. You start in the main menu, select the Commissioning Assistant. Admin access rights are required to access the Commissioning Assistant. Enter the access code. This can be found in the Installation and Operating Instructions manual for the ventilation unit. Then select the Commissioning Assistant. The Commissioning Assistant starts with the unit selection. The respective unit has already been stored. Please do not make any changes and navigate directly to the language selection. Select the language. External 0 to 10 volt controller. Only change the setting to yes if the unit is operated by an external signal or an external central controller. The recommended setting is no. Control function mode. If there are no specific requirements, we recommend the supply air control setting. Next, set the desired target supply air temperature. If there is no post heater, set the target temperature to 20 degrees. When using heating and cooling elements, a neutral zone can be defined for the set point. Further information can be found in the Installation and Operating Instructions manual. Ventilation mode. The standard setting is constant airflow. Constant RPM should only be selected in special application cases. The AIR1 cap module is required for constant pressure mode. The ventilation mode menu item is not applicable if you selected yes in the external 0 to 10 volt controller menu. We will continue with the standard settings. Now set the desired volume flows in meters cubed per hour for the supply air. If you select constant speed, set the desired fan power in percentage for the supply air and extract air. If you select constant pressure mode, set the duct pressure calculated in pascals. Repeat the settings for the extract air. Electrical preheater. The preheater is used for heat exchanger frost protection. Check if the unit has a preheater. If it does, we recommend that you activate it. Supply filter type. Check which filters the unit is equipped with. Change the filter type if necessary. Extract filter type. Repeat the process for the extract air filter and change the filter type if necessary. After heater type. Check if the unit is equipped with a post-heating element and set the appropriate heater type if necessary. Cooler type. Check if the unit is equipped with a cooling element and set the appropriate cooler type if necessary. When selecting DX, you define whether it is a 1- or 2-step cooling system. Recirculation damper. This menu item is only available for the unit series XH and RH over 5,000 cubic meters per hour. Check if the unit is equipped with a recirculation damper. In case of doubt, the standard setting No should be maintained. Free cooling or night cooling. We recommend maintaining the standard setting Yes unless there are specific requirements. Ventilation on demand. Check if air quality sensors have been installed and which sensor types are connected to which inputs. Activate the installed sensor types. Please note, operation with air quality sensors is not possible in the constant pressure ventilation mode. Select the sensor type connected to sensor input AI2. Repeat the selection for inputs AI3 and AI4 if other sensors are connected. Then define the desired parameters for the sensors. If there are no specifications, we recommend maintaining the factory settings. Complete configuration and start application. Select the Yes setting and confirm by pressing OK to complete the initial commissioning. Go back to the main menu. The operating mode must now be defined so that the unit can start operating. If there are no air quality sensors, all operating modes will be available. When selecting a manual operating mode, we recommend the normal mode. The unit will start operating shortly after selection. If there are air quality sensors, the timer operating mode must be selected. In this case, timer programming is required to start the unit. Detailed information can be found in the video shown here. This completes the commissioning process. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosAIR1.com.